What's up, Wagwan? So guys, I'm going to show you the process of how I'm going to make the mint powder. Or some people say mint tea bag. You just want to put it in a bag. But I'm going to make a mint powder, or how to grind mint. And these are peppermint. I got them from my girlfriend's garden, and this is how it's looking. You just go ahead and pick off the leaf. So you pick the leaves like this, all of them, and you're gonna go over here and you're gonna have something like this. Some of them start to dry already because I have them long time, few days now. So I'm gonna finish pick off all of them, and then I'm gonna put it outside to dry. I dry it out, and can you hear the crunchiness, guys? And all I did, just put it in the sun for a few days, and that's it. All right, I have my nice coffee grinder here, guys. Yes, so we're gonna try it out. The first time I'm using this one, so I'm gonna grab some and I'm gonna just squeeze it together, and I'm gonna put it in. I think that's it. Let's do this first, guys. Oh, it smells so good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press this on it and I'm gonna squeeze it. All right, guys, let's look where we're at. Look at that, guys. Can you see the goodness? Woo! Yes. I'm gonna sieve it now. Can you see the goodness, guys? Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Alright, guys, so that's what I got out of it. This is it. How to get peppermint powder. Yeah, how to grind peppermint. Alright, guys. And after, I'm going to tell you some health benefits. But first, I have a container here and I'm going to pour it out. Or put some in. Ooh. My son just came into the kitchen and he said to me, "Mommy, do you smell toothpaste?" And I'm like, "No, I don't have any toothpaste." And then I said, "Oh, it's the peppermint." Because basically when you brush your teeth, it's this same mint flavor they use to make the toothpaste, guys. So I'm like, wow. So minty in my kitchen now, guys. Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Look at that, guys. And you can just put a label on it, okay, guys? I need to buy some of that labeling thing. Or you can just tape a piece of tape and label it. Peppermint is good for headache, nausea, tension, relief, upset stomach, and even migraine. Peppermint also freshen your breath. All right, that minty taste, that minty flavor. It relieves clogged sinuses, and it also improves energy. All right, it helps relieves menstrual cramps. So for the ladies, drink some peppermint tea, or you can put it in your smoothie, or you can cook with it, guys, or ladies, so to speak. And it also helps to fight bacteria and infection, and it helps to improve your sleep. Okay, so basically peppermint relaxes your muscles, and it acts as a thinning agent because it helps to basically thin your blood and help to regulate your blood flow. Research it as well. And once your blood flow is regulated, then it helps to lower your blood pressure. It helps to fight diabetes, and like it's gonna improve your overall health. All right, guys. So when you're stopping by in the supermarket, or if it's summertime, plant some peppermint. You can make the fresh peppermint tea. You can make peppermint powder. You can put it in your meat, anyhow you want to use it. All right, guys, so remember, stock up on your peppermint. All right, super healthy, freshen your breath. Also, peppermint is good for chest congestion and If you have cold and flu, it helps to relieve it. All right, it's good to inhale and it's good to ingest. Okay, so you can eat it or you can drink it. You can use it as a toppable ointment or remedy. All right, because once you put it like form of menthol on your skin, it's gonna soothe your skin, help to relieve muscle pain and pain overall. All right, guys, so remember, this is my peppermint powder. All right, guys, next up I'm gonna make some peppermint tea for you. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye, guys.